Jopuonj mag junior school e kaunti ma Laikipia okwedo wach ma jatend piny William Ruto madwaro mondo mi jopuonjre otiegre kuom higni 2 kapok ondikgi e yo mongirore. Jopuonj gi ywak ni jatend piny siayo duol mandiko jopuonje TSC mondo dhi ataro mar riwruok margi. Ka gilose boma ma Nyahururu, jopuonj gi owacho ni tiegruok kuom higni 2 dhi ataro mar winjruok mane gigoyo e kogno, ka giwacho ni tiegruok margi onego bed mana dweche 12 kende. Juma mokalo, Ruto nolando ni jopuonj mag JS ibiro ndiki e yo mongirore tok tiegruok kata bedo internship.
Lakini hii ya kusema ati intern waendelee for 24 months, hiyo sisi kama chama ya KUPPET Laikipia tumekataa. Kwa sababu there is a difference between cheap labor and the intern program that we know. Hii maneno ya intern kwa sisi, it is like you are having cheap labor.
Hawa interns wanahitaji only 5 billion to be confirmed on permanent and pensionable term. Sisi we are demanding this government to postpone politics for 5 days only to confirm these JSS teachers on permanent and pensionable terms.
At this moment, we are receiving 17,000. 17,000 is a big joke for a teacher who went through education, who went through a degree, who went through all qualifications to acquire and attain a TSC number. My request is to the government. Kindly, we are here to appeal to you. Allow the supplementary committee to go ahead and advocate money or release the money for the confirmation of intern teachers.
Mnataka watu wapate watoto lini? Even with the amount paid, 17,000, you cannot even afford to have a family. 17 cannot start a family. We are saying, Mogul viva! Mogul viva! Interns viva! 17,000 is an insult and it is a joke to us. Confirm us to permanent and pensionable basis. Nothing short, nothing less.